Hi everyone, today we're going to be focusing more on tens and ones, but it's a little bit trickier today because we're going to be looking more at the tens. So you might need to go and get your Lego and Duplo or whatever equipment you've been using to help you, because like I say, it is slightly trickier today. So let's have a look first of all. So what we've been doing is we've been looking at a number and pulling it apart into tens and ones. So we had 49 and we knew that was 40, and what other number goes with it? It's 9, isn't it? Because 49 is made of 40 and 9. But this time, today, we're going to be just looking at the tens number. So this is where our bond knowledge comes in really well. So knowing all of our bonds, where our double knowledge comes in, because we can use those facts to help us with these number sentences. So let's have a look at this one. So if 49 is made up of 20, and what other number? Have a little think. Use the equipment at home if you can, or draw 49, okay, and then put 20 to one, draw 20 to one side. What would go in your other part? So draw it like it's on the screen, okay? So there are a couple of ways that you could do this. Some of you might need to count the tens and ones. Some of you might know that 20 and 20 makes 40, therefore it's going to be 29. Some of you might know that 2 and 2 make 4, so 20 and 20 is 40. Some of you might need to count it or draw it, that's absolutely fine. But it is 29, because we know that 20 and 20, okay, makes the 40, and then we add on the 9. So we're looking at tens and splitting it up. So what I want you to have a think about now is I want you to pause the video and see if there's other ways that you can make 49. So instead of it being 40 and 9, and there we've got 20 and 29. Can you think of another way to make 49? Keep your 9 the same, just thinking about splitting that tens. So how else can we split 40? So that's where your bond knowledge comes, isn't it? Because you need to know your bonds so that it will help you. So pause the video and have a go. So we know that 49 equals 20 add 29. Okay. So we also know that, there we go, we see it on a bar model, it's 29. It's the same as, isn't it, 40 and 9. It's exactly the same as that. We're using the same tens and ones, but we're just splitting it up differently. So you might have split it up, okay, where 40 add 9 is the same as 10 add 39. So you might have split it up as 10 add 39. You could have done 30 add 19. There are a few different ways, so don't forget to send it to me at the end of the video what your idea was. Add 39 there. So your job now is, I've given you the whole as 46 and one part as 16. What's the other part going to be? So this is where you might need to draw it. So draw your tens and ones or use your equipment at home to help you. To do something, add something equals something. So it's a part, add a part equals a whole. We need 2 of them. And a whole equals a part, add a part. So once you've done that, okay, if you play, the answers will come on. But then what I want you to do after that is I want you to make 2 more of your own. So choose any number between 10 and 99. And I want you to split it, not just into tens and ones. I want you to split it where the tens and ones are together, but then there's some other tens somewhere else, if that makes sense, okay? So like we've just done here, we've got 46. We've not split it into 40 and 6. We've split it into something and 16. So if you've got any problems, because it is a little bit tricky, please message me on Tapestry and have a go. So pause the video and have a go at this one, and then the answers will come on, and then see if you can create 2 of your own. So remember, just thinking about splitting that tens number up, not the ones number. So there are the answers. So 46 is made up of 30 and 16. So we've got 16 add 30 equals 46. 30 add 16 equals 46. 46 equals 16 add 30, and 46 equals 30 add 16. So your job now is to create 2 of your own, and then don't forget to send it all across on Tapestry, because I do look forward to seeing everybody's work. Take care, everyone.